So I've got 4 smoke alarms installed in the bedrooms. Actually, there's 3 bedrooms here. I got them all installed there, and there was also another regular smoke alarm in the hallway right there. So make sure you look in all your ceiling areas and make sure you get them all, because not all houses are created equal with the smoke alarms. And then this one, I put a carbon monoxide one on here. I'm going to test them now, but before I do that, I'm going to turn the breaker back on. Yeah, I've got a broom because I'm going to use the tip of it here to push and reset all of the smoke alarms. I got a little piece of toilet paper here. I'm going to rip that, put a little bit in my ears because they can get kind of loud. And see, I have to do it to every single unit, right? Okay, so all I'm going to have to do, you read your directions. Not all smoke alarms are created equal. But on these, I'm just going to press the button here and see what happens here. Okay, now it's going to go off. And all the other ones in the house are going to go off, see?
Warning, carbon monoxide.
That was carbon monoxide. Okay, so she only talked on the carbon monoxide one, and she didn't talk on the smoke alarm one, because that's the smoke alarm and carbon monoxide one. Okay, now we're gonna set one. We're gonna set this one in the hallway, because you have to go around and reset each one. Okay, now this one probably won't talk. Nobody will talk on this one. It's just gonna reset. Okay, so I'm just going to press the button here. It chirps once, now it's going to go again. See, while that one's going, these other ones are going. See? The other ones in the bedroom are going to go. And that one stopped. Okay? So, since I'm in this back bedroom, I'll go ahead and reset this one here. It chirps once like that. That one's off. And the green light goes back on. Okay? That one's set. Okay? That's how you're going to set them. I have 2 more in the house to do, and then I'll be done. Now I'm going to guess most smoke alarms are set the same way, but read your directions and see. So you heard that one, it said fire. That's because that was the smoke alarm carbon monoxide one. That's the only one that talks in this house. 1 more to go in the master bedroom. Man, this is pretty easy. It's like putting money in your pocket by doing it yourself. And hey, if I can do it, you can do it. That's it. Hey, speaking of tips, one last tip for you. Your 9-volt batteries, the old ones, don't just throw those in the trash, okay? I forgot all about that. I'm going to take them out of these boxes, all of them, and then take them maybe to a grocery store or a hardware store where you can put them in a little recycle container. Be good to the environment, and it'll be good to you. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.